GoLive Services by Barcoding Incorporated are a critical component of any mobile device deployment. We focus on a methodical, process-based approach to ensure devices are delivered to our customers and end users to keep them efficient, accurate, and connected. GoLive Services ensure that devices show up ready to use right out of the box. There's no delay, and our customers can get back to making a difference in the moments that matter. When onboarding a new customer, we take a very methodical approach to understanding what their customer need is, what their end users are using the devices for, and how we can best provide value.
When a customer comes to us with a project, we really want to know what the customer requires out in the field and exactly what they want to do on an everyday basis. User experience is extremely important. We like to know, what kind of users they have. Are we going to have truck drivers? Are we going to have warehouse workers? Are we going to be working with medical providers? And what are those requirements? The organizational requirements generally drive how the users utilize their mobile devices and the applications they're working with. So many managers and organizational properties require that an end user not be allowed to utilize certain applications, not be allowed to even get out to the internet. Every company, every customer is not the same. So you have to be very mindful of what your users require, and then we can work around any kind of requirements that the customers have.
We want to understand exactly what the customer is looking for and how they're going to use the device. Then we'll come up with a plan on how we're going to get the software to the devices, whether it's through a mobile device management software or by manually loading it on each device. So we'll want to set up some test devices first that we'll send the customer to make sure it works. If any issues come up with, say, an OEM version or something along those lines, we can use the mobile device management software to check that version on each device, or beforehand, we can manually check each version. A lot of the customers want their devices asset tagged. We'll use our CaptureSoft program to scan in the serial number, the MAC address, the asset tag, and that way this is all loaded into a database. When the customer receives their device, all they need to go by is the asset tag, and that will reference the rest of the details of the device. Some of the devices will also kit all the equipment that's included, so that way when the customer receives it, they don't need to sort through multiple boxes to find the power cord or any other piece of equipment that to be used with that device, like a sled. It'll all be kitted together. So that way they've got their device, they'll open up the box, there's everything you need. Because we take the steps to cover everything, it's an out-of-the-box solution that's ready to use as soon as the customer receives it.
So once we finalize and document the process, we begin provisioning all the devices. We work directly with the customer to accurately set expectations on deployment speed, shipping dates, and shipping requirements. Depending on the project, we can send multiple real-time updates to provide visibility into the project progress.
When wrapping up a project, we work with the customer to ensure everything was delivered in a timely and efficient manner, everything works correctly, and we transition them over to the support model. So in summary, GoLive Services by Barcoding act as an extension of our customers' existing IT department and resources. Our ability to interact with their end users and provide devices at the point of deployment that work exactly as needed